Hey, welcome back to the channel. So we're slowly approaching the end of the year, and if you've ever seen my channel before, you know that I do a lot of product reviews for Teslas. So who better to ask than someone like me, what's the best product to buy for my Tesla? Instead of boring you with a long list of products that I reviewed, I'm just going to give you my top 5. So out of the 5 products that I'm listing today, I'll start with my least favorite of those 5 and work my way down to my number 1 pick. Number 5, the Sun Shade from Arcoche. This is a product that I didn't really know I needed until I had it. It's been great during the summertime when the sun is beating down on that glass roof, just to have a little bit of extra shade. I don't have any tint on my windows, so this really did help out, and I love the fact that it's easily removable and can store away in my sub trunk. Number 4, the center screen swivel mount from Show. There are other brands that make a similar mount, but this one was really nice, well made. Another product that I didn't know I needed until I installed it, and I'm really glad I did because I use it more than I thought I ever would. Number 3, AllWeather floor mats from Taptes. Now, these floor mats are the best that I've tried, and I've tried a lot of them. But my favorite feature, other than the fact that they're custom molded to fit the floor of your Tesla, they don't slip around or slide, there are no logos or badges on them, no weird funky design. They're just plain, natural looking rubber mats. I like that a lot. I think it goes along with the interior of the Model 3 of just simplistic design. Number 2, the 20-inch Uberturbine wheel covers for the Aero wheels. If you have a Model 3 with the Aero wheels or a Model Y with the 19-inch Aero wheels, Aroham makes a version of the Aero hubcaps that look like the Uberturbine wheels that come from the Tesla factory. Not only does it hide the curb rash on the rim of your wheel, it also makes the wheel look bigger than it really is. Now, the covers that I have came from Aroham, but there are other companies that make these as well for different price points. Mine are a little bit on the pricey side, around $400, but for about half the price, or a little over half, you can get the same look from, let's say, Show. I'll make sure I put links in the description below so you can check out all of these and shop around for pricing. Make sure you use discount code BECAUSETESLA on all of the links below to see if it gives you a good discount. And the number 1 pick for 2022 is the Yoke steering wheel from Aroham. This I was a little nervous about when I first installed it, but once I got used to it, I can't go back to a round wheel. I love the way this feels. I love the way it steers. Now, if you're wanting to drift your car and you really need to spin the wheel really quick, Yoke isn't really the way to go for that. But for most city driving and interstate driving, most people, I think, will really like the Yoke once they get used to the way it feels. And besides, every time someone looks in my car, they always comment on that steering wheel and say how cool it looks and that it's really fancy. They don't really look at a lot of the other things. They see the white interior and say, ooh, it's so nice, but it's always that Yoke steering wheel that people are really wowed by. So that's it, guys. That is my top 5 pick for 2022. If you go back and look at my channel, you'll see I reviewed a lot of products this year, but instead of boring you, I just wanted to get 5 so you can think about what you may want to get for your car as well. If you like this information, let me know by hitting the like button. And if you want to see more, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the near future. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.